your liver won't be troubled anymore. The amazing benefits of Kanchal Seeds. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share with you a natural solution that will improve your liver health and help your body detoxify. Kanchal Seeds. If you're worried about the health of your liver, you need to watch this video because I'm going to explain in detail how Kanchal Seeds can provide incredible benefits to your liver. 1. Cleanse your liver. Kanchal Seeds provide a natural detox for your liver. They help eliminate the toxins accumulated in your body and support your liver's healthy function. Your liver will finally get the relief it needs, as Kanchal Seeds allow it to clear harmful substances without any extra burden. 2. Support liver functions. Kanchal Seeds help strengthen the essential functions of your liver. They improve liver efficiency, which helps regulate vital metabolic processes. That means your liver will always be working at its best capacity. 3. Prevent fatty liver. Kanchal Seeds are also effective against fatty liver disease. They prevent fat accumulation, helping your liver avoid unnecessary stress. Getting rid of fatty liver is now much easier. 4. Reduce liver inflammation. Kanchal Seeds reduce inflammation in the liver, providing essential support for a healthy liver. You won't have to deal with the liver issues caused by inflammation anymore. 5. Easy and natural usage. Using Kanchal Seeds is incredibly simple. Just take a few seeds and brew them in hot water to consume daily. While the taste might be slightly bitter, once you experience how beneficial it is for your liver, you'll quickly overlook that little inconvenience. In conclusion, if you want to relax and maintain a healthy liver, Kanchal Seeds can be a natural and effective solution. If you're interested in trying this herbal miracle, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. Protect and strengthen your liver's health with Kanchal Seeds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Wishing you healthy days ahead, and I'll see you in the next video.